So here in Cesky Krumlov, I'm staying at Hotel Grand. That's just right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the hotel room, and I'm also hungry, so I'm probably gonna have some food, and let's see how good the hotel really is. So the entrance of the hotel is actually on the side. It's right here. It was quite hard to find because I entered actually through the restaurant. So it's actually here and then to the left. So let's first check out the room. So here we are. All right. I'm always really curious about this. Okay. So we have a wrong button. Which button is the shower? Huh. Ah, there it is. Around the corner. Well, there you go. Well, actually a pretty decent shower. No bath, not that I need one. Ah, little flowers. Alright, looks all pretty nice. Clean. Awesome. Alright. Oh wow. Very nice and cozy. I like this. TV. They also gave me a bottle of champagne when I arrived to put it in the room, they said. Oh, cannot skip that, right? Look at that. Oh, the whole bottle for myself. That's luxury. Alright, let's see if they have somewhere, most of the time, small mini fridge. Oh, I do have some. Well, very bare bone, but ooh, the fridge. All right, there we go. Our Czech classic again, the Becherovka. Okay. Well, actually, yes, also something really Czech. It's called Slivovice. Not sure if it's any better than Becherovka, but you know, it's no, I don't like it personally. Okay, we got some beers. Oh, only one beer, not two actually. Cola. Alright, that's actually quite nice. Of course, I have to do the bed test as well. What's this? Okay, a little candy. Okay. Well, it looks really nice. The only downside is that there is no air conditioning. And, it's not too hot in here, so that's okay. But it is warmer than I would say it's a lot warmer than my own house. But you know. So let's see if the bed is comfortable. Oh yeah. This is gonna work just fine. Alright. So when about the price, Cesky Krumlov is actually super expensive. It's way more expensive than other small villages or cities, because Cesky Krumlov is so much focused on tourism. Definitely the old part of the city where all the tourists will go. This is actually a rather cheap hotel, and I already paid, even though it was discounted, 80 euros for it. So, you know, remember when I went to the hotel in Brno, which was larger, looked a little bit more fancy, same price. But well, you know, that's always you're gonna pay for a touristic area. Well, let's see what the rest of the hotel will look like. And of course, if I will eat here, then I'll show you the dinner and of course the breakfast, because breakfast luckily is included. So yes, so that will mean that I will wake up early in the morning just to see if breakfast is any good. Okay, so I'm just gonna get changed, and then I will go out and explore Cesky Krumlov. some really well-deserved, well, let's call it a mini holiday. So this is actually the hotel restaurant, which was actually very small but very bright. And I must say that also the waiter was actually very kind. And here's a shot of the food that I ordered. I ordered some chicken, and inside the chicken there was some sauce and tomatoes. And there was also baked potatoes, which actually tasted really good. I was really surprised by it. I also, of course, ordered some dessert, as you can see here. It was pancakes filled with marmalade, I think, or jam, whatever you want to call it. Strawberries, whipped cream, and there was actually some sort of like gold flakes on top of it, which I thought was very unique. And here was the breakfast in the morning, which is just really standard to a hotel, but actually there were some other things. So you can see this thing on the right side was actually liver pate, and they also had pancakes again and a very nice cake. And here you can actually see what they all had. There was plenty of choice. Plus the hotel staff was really kind to me, so I can definitely recommend this hotel. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one.